In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook ads pixel in just about 5 minutes. Now you might be wondering, why do you even need a Facebook pixel? Well, it's a critical tool for your Facebook advertising strategy, allowing you to track visitor activity on your site, understand the efficacy of your ads, and ultimately refine your advertising approach for better performance. Let's dive right in, and first things first, you'll need to navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This is the hub where you'll manage all your Facebook advertising and marketing activities. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in using your Facebook credentials. It's straightforward, just click on Login with Facebook. After logging in, choose the appropriate account you want to work with if you have access to multiple accounts. This ensures that you're setting up the pixel for the right business entity. Now for the next step. Once logged in and you've selected your account, look for an option labelled All Tools. It's typically represented by a grid icon and can be found in the menu. This will open up a wide array of options that Facebook Business Suite has to offer, but we're focused on one particular tool today. Navigate through these options until you find Events Manager. Click on this. Events Manager is where all the action happens concerning data analytics and tracking on your website. It's what powers your insights into user behavior. In Events Manager, your next move is to click on Data Sources. This section houses various data tracking options, but we're specifically interested in the Meta Pixel, which might be listed under a unique name depending on your setup. Once you find your Meta Pixel in the list, go ahead and click on it. This action takes you to the dashboard that controls all the settings related to this specific pixel. In this dashboard, look for an option called Manage Integrations. This is where Facebook allows you to set up how you want your pixel to interact with your website, among other platforms. Under Manage Integrations, you should see a section labelled Browser Pixel. Click on Manage under this section. This particular option focuses on the integrations for tracking via web browsers, which is primarily what we aim to set up. Now here's where it gets a bit more technical, but stay with me. You'll see an option that reads Add to another website. Go ahead and click on it. This is the part where Facebook will guide you through installing the pixel code on your website. Lastly, after clicking Add to another website, you will see an option to email instructions. I highly recommend doing this, as it will provide you with detailed instructions and the necessary pixel code that you or your web developer will need to integrate into your website. By following these instructions, you will successfully install the Facebook pixel on your site, allowing you to start tracking visitor interactions such as page views, form submissions, product purchases, and more. A couple of tips to keep in mind. The Facebook pixel works best when it is customized to track specific events relevant to your business goals. Take the time to configure these events correctly in the pixel settings. Also, make sure your website complies with all privacy regulations, including GDPR in Europe, by informing visitors about cookies and tracking technologies being used on your site. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to setting up your Facebook advertising pixel. With this powerful tool now integrated into your website, you're well equipped to gather insights, optimize your ad campaigns, and drive meaningful results for your business. Remember, the world of digital marketing is ever evolving, so it's crucial to stay updated on best practices and new features that Facebook might roll out. Make your advertising efforts count by leveraging the power of the Facebook pixel. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit any steps if needed, and start making the most of your Facebook advertising today.